All you'll need is a pair of pliers and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access to replace this part. Start off by removing the lower basket. The heat exchanger round cover and seal is found here on the right side of this dishwasher. The cover can be tight to remove, so you may need to start loosening with a pair of pliers. To gain access to the seal, the side panel needs to be removed. Start off by unscrewing the Torx T20 screw on the front. The side panel can then be placed to one side. Flip the insulation up to the top. The heat exchanger is held in place by two clips. Unclip these. Looking down to the bottom of the heat exchanger, you'll find the rubber seal. Remove this, making note of which way around the seal goes when attached. Unpackage your new cover and seal. Make sure the seal with the slightly higher rubber lip is the side that faces into the middle of the dishwasher and the round cover connects to. The lower side is the one that sits on the heat exchanger. Attach the new rubber seal. Reclip the two connectors from the heat exchanger to the dishwasher housing. Flick the insulation back over. Reattach the side panel by lining up the two slots with the two small plastic tabs on the bottom of the dishwasher. Then pull the panel up to connect the panel in place. The side panel will connect in these places, at the rear down the bottom, at the rear up top, and on the side up top. Rescrew the front Torx T20 screw back in place. Screw your new plastic cover on from inside the dishwasher and tighten with a pair of pliers. Reinsert your lower basket. And that's it. Your new dishwasher heat exchanger round cover and seal is all set to go.